Hello everyone, welcome back. I think most of you are used to me working on the old Jeep here. I've done a few videos on my '06 TJ, but today I'm working on my new baby here, MK 7.5 Golf R, and looking to do a vinyl wrap on the front emblem. So this on the 7.5 is perfectly smooth. So those bevels that you see are actually under a clear cap. And I picked up a kit from Klee Motorworks that I want to install, and they did an installation video of how to put it on, and the video they did was with this badge on the table, and I think that would be a lot easier to do. So I wanted to figure out how to take this badge off. So what I have here is a vinyl trim tool that I picked up from Harbor Freight, and this sort of flat bill-shaped end is a little thick, but you'll see this hooked end that I've already chewed up a bit, but it's pretty thin. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this into this groove. And I started just, with kind of using my hand, my fingernails, and then we're gonna slowly pull this around and pry up. So what we have are 3 clips, and on the bottom, they're not clips, but hooks, not unlike this shape, that hook into 2 holes. So we want to pull from the top and then lift out the bottom. So doing this, I've already done this once, so it's going to be a little bit easier. Doing this one-handed, it's going to be a bit of a trick here. So once I get in there, I'm going to work my way slowly. Starting at about let's call it the 2 o'clock position and working around. Once you get in there, you'll kind of use the tip of your finger and then continue to pry around. And once you get about, say, 12, 11 o'clock, the other clips will pop off, and then you'll be able to pull this back gently. And then once you pull it back, you're gonna lift up and it's gonna pop right out. So these are the 2 feet that I was referring to. They hook into these 2 slots at the bottom that you can see here. And then the other 3 clips clip in. And there's 1, 2, and 3. They're at, say, the 11, 12, and 1 o'clock position. And there you have it. It just pops right back in. Now you can clean this off, work on it on a table and in a clean environment, and just kind of take your time to get that wrap on.